Hey, how's it going, guys? Lock that I have here today is extra space storage lifetime guarantee disc lock, which appears to be model number ES670. This is a 2 3/4 inch disc lock, which, as the back purports, says that it has pick resistant precision tumbler. I just happen to have this lying around after having moved some stuff into storage, so we'll go ahead and check to see what it takes to get into one of these. If it is, as this thing says, the choice of self-storage professionals. So I'm just going to use top of keyway tensioner in 40 thousandths and a standard hook in 25 thousandths. Got to click on 1. Nice click out of 2. Click out of 3. I'm not feeling anything on 4. Going back to 1, 2, and we got this open. So, if this is the type of lock that professionals trust, I don't know if I trust the professionals. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.